I don't know where it went.
Here, hold on. Here.
Seriously? Isaiah! Stop! Hey! Ow!
Bring that.
Bring what?
Bring your shoes. Killens, go grab your shoes. Go grab shoes.
Hey, he's licking the pole. Keelan, grab Elijah's shoe. Right there, baby. Stephanie! For
Killens! Killens! Grab shoes. Grab shoes over there.
Isaiah's not competing a fly. Gosh, this is too bright.
Here. Right here, Killens. Killens, right here, bring
He's
it.
hecka ignoring you.
Killens!
He's hecka ignoring you. Good.
Bring it. Here.
Babe, stop! You're so freaking...
You okay? You okay? Life gets better.
Dude, you're too rough. You need to calm the freak down.
I love you, son. I love you, son. Go play.
Go get it. Go get it, Keelan. Oh my gosh.
All right, the king is back.
Babe, you're so stupid.
Come on, Zaya. Come on, Zaya.
You're a jerk.
Yeah.
Dude, you need to stop doing him rough.
Put your hand inside and get out.
Come on, let's go. Yeah.